And today I'm going to show you how we can expose a local server using a tool called ngrok. So let's see. First we'll search for the tool in Google, right? And just go over here. And then what this does is it basically exposes any server like Jenkins or any other application which is a web application, and it exposes that uh, over the internet without having to do a lot of configurations. So go here to download for Windows because I'm on Windows. So it's getting downloaded now. Okay, so now we have downloaded ngrok, and if you go to the folder, the file is downloaded. We'll extract it over here. Okay, and just go to this folder. We'll open a command prompt. Go to this location, right? And now we have ngrok, and you can see over here we have a Jenkins setup which is listening on port number 8080. What I want to do is expose this over the internet, right? So all I need to do is type http, and since my Jenkins is listening on 8080, I'll just do this, and what it does, it gives me a link. This is the link that I'm looking for, right? And I can just copy this link and I can give this to somebody and they can access the Jenkins on my machine, or I can use this for any other setting, and it's going to point to my Jenkins instance over the internet, right? So you see this is my Jenkins instance on my machine, and it's asking me for the initial password because I haven't set it up. I hope this was helpful, and please rate, subscribe and comment below. Thanks.